Hey everybody, Bruce here with Wanna Be Free. As simple as it sounds, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your oil in your car. So to start with, let me just show you the car I'm using for this example. It happens to be my 2010 Ford Transit Connect. And this is a real easy one to find the dipstick. So you have a yellow handle over here, which is the transmission fluid. And this one right here, the circular one, is for checking the oil. So first of all, of course, you need to open up the hood and find out where your oil dipstick is located. Once you've done that, I like to have a rag handy. Set the camera right there. Just a dirty old rag or a paper towel or something like that. And then pull the dipstick out. As you pull it out, be careful because there could be oil on the end of it and you don't want it to splatter everywhere. And it'll give you a reading, but it may not be accurate, so I like to wipe off the dipstick. And if you look at this one, it has two holes in it. The one on the right is the minimum and the one on the left is the maximum. You don't want to overfill beyond the max, and you definitely don't want it below the minimum. Somewhere in between, and this one, I don't know if it'll show on the video, but it has a checkered area. Somewhere in between those two dots is where you want your oil level to be. So wipe it off so it's clean. Put it back in. Fully seat the dipstick all the way down so it doesn't go down any farther, and then pull it out and check it and look for the reading. So as you can see, it's right at the top, right on the max level. Just a little bit dirty, so I'm getting pretty close to requiring an oil change on this vehicle. Just based on mileage, not necessarily on the color, but fresh oil will be real clear and it will be hard to see. So you want to just angle it so you can see the shiny spot with the light glaring off of it, and you can be able to tell, you'll be able to tell exactly where it's at. Mine is right at the top, so it's exactly where it needs to be. And then just make sure you try not to drip oil all over everything as you put it back in. Sometimes I'll just take the rag and wipe it off, put it back in, and you're done. That's all there is to it. So to check your car oil takes you less than 5 minutes, and it can save you a lot of trouble down the road, especially if you're going to be taking a long trip or something like that. Not necessarily just because of that, but that's typically when I'll check it. If I'm going to do a long road trip, I definitely want to know that I'm good on oil. Carry an extra quart with you in case you need to top it off at a rest stop or a gas station, and you should be in good shape. See you guys on the next one.